In this week's 2-Minute Tuesday, you'll learn how to add a master checklist in the Franchise Opener module. When a new location is going through the opening process, corporate and franchisees are able to work together and complete tasks to ensure a smooth and consistent opening. Let's start by creating a master checklist. Go to the Admin section, Franchise Opener, Task Checklist. On the top section, select Add More. Start by adding the first task in the designated area. So for this example, let's write Call with the Operations Team as the first task. Next, let's put an agenda in the attachment so the owner can download it prior to the call. We can choose the operations department so we know it's associated to the correct responsibility area. Then, let's select from the list of contacts. They will be notified and held accountable for completing the task. Keep in mind that the suppliers and the franchise owners can be notified. The next option is the store type. This feature will link the task to certain types of stores, such as kiosks, standalone, and shopping malls. This keeps each task relevant to the store type. We can also allow franchisees to have access to the tasks. We can make it view only, update status, and none. The priority will allow us to make the task recommended or mandatory. We can then choose a dependency date, which allows us to make this task timeless or dependent on another task date. Next, let's set up the start date and completion date prior to the dependency. The last option we will set up is the start and completion reminders. Once we've added several tasks, we can go ahead and save the checklist. The checklist will appear for each new store that's been added to the franchise opener. You can always go back and make changes to the master checklist and apply it to existing, future, or a group of locations. That's all for this week's video.